Engagement documentation. What is this engagement documentation? You do the audit. While doing the audit, you need to collect evidence. This person collect this evidence. This person conduct the audit on this date. He had done this work. He had sent this inquiry to the management. This is the reply they got from the management regarding the questions. This is the pending questions which the management need to give reply. Then after what this is the substantial evidence we found, and this is the misstatement we found in the financial statement that is contradicting our plan, so we increase the plan. So this is the sample size previous to the plan, this is the sample size after the misstatement found, and this is the audit evidence we acquired. Through this audit evidence we come to this conclusion. So these are the communications that has been done to the designated partners, and this is how we form the opinion. This is what the documentation, how we did, how the total audit story of our travel from getting the engagement letter to completing the audit report. This is what totally recorded thing is engagement document. A record of work performed, a result obtained, conclusion, the practitioner reaches, such as working papers and working papers, or sometimes called working paper or working papers. Sometimes call use. This documentation of specific engagement is assembled in the engagement file. This is what called engagement documentation.